Late-night host Seth Meyers on Thursday broke down former President Donald Trump's tactic of floating the most outrageous ideas, then claiming he was just joking amid the ensuing backlash. A fresh example, said Meyers, was Trump's suggestion of putting the Chinese flag on U.S. fighter jets to bomb the shit out of Russia, then watch as war breaks out between the two superpowers. Let's not assume it was a joke, said Meyers, pointing to Trump's long history of always joking until he's not, such as with his jokes about Russia hacking his 2016 Democratic rival Hillary Clinton's emails or his idea to inject people with disinfectant to cure COVID-19. That's what Trump does, he flirts crazy shit and sees how far he can take it, Meyers added. If one idea gets rejected, he just tries another one. Watch Meyers' full monologue here.